Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. The other day was my granddaughter's birthday and this was one of her gifts. And we're going to make a couple of bracelets. Take a little trip on what's in here. We've got some elastic and we've got lots of letter beads. We have white letter beads with black letters. We got colorful letter beads with white letters. And we have some boxes, little cubes with letters on it. We've got these little faceted, and these are all plastic beads, but they're going to be fun. Oh, we got stars and hearts. So they're
my favorite. I wear them on my bracelet.
Oh, yes, we already made one. Let's show you this first bracelet we made. The first one, we got hearts and a name, more hearts. Let's flip it over. We got stars. All right, let's make the next one. For all the letters we need for our name, which is Clementine, and I'm really having a hard time. I was able to find all the letters, including this M, except for one N. I could only find one N out of all these. I found an M. So I'm going to pick that up with my trusty tweezers that are really scissors. We're going to substitute that. So it looks like we meant to do that. Now we got to figure out more beads. So we pretty much have what we're going to do here. And then I'm just going to add these little beads to it at the end. There's her bracelet all done. We got stars and hearts and all kinds of fun, colorful beads. And her name, Clementine. This was a fun little project. This kit actually came from Target. Like I said before, the beads are plastic. And the string is actually not really that good a quality, but it works. And it's fun for the kids. They can pick out letters and they can also practice their patterns. So it can be educational too. Thanks for joining me and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.